Reviewing Garvare Tech Fibers. This company was earlier known as Garvare Wall Ropes. They are in the manufacturing. They are manufacturing ropes, fishnets. Very small business area, while they are leading in it. Wherever they are, like they are even doing sports nets, threads for shoes, all beautiful products which is commanding huge value add and is being sold across the world. Let's go to our analysis. Going to ranking, earnings rank is 59.5. Again, this drop is in the recent quarters, which is might be showing the COVID impact on the balance sheet. Price rank is at 92.7. Fantastic run the stock has had, and it has run due to expectation. Very high expectation on the stock from the investor community. Don't know, there can be some good numbers coming out from the stock in the coming months or coming quarters. If suppose the expectation is not met, then it will collapse. Looking at the chart of price rank, in July it was at 81.3. Significant jump from there. Consistently it had been going up and holding up above 90. As we are doing here also, it has reached for a higher high at 92.7. Fantastic move on the rank. Let's see how this is culminated in the stock price. Coming to business growth, profits have been doing very good. Growth touched 40% in March. Some small drop is there. Looks like it can recover. Margins have been going up. Sales took a beating. It is not due to COVID, because this sales drops is coming from September 19 onwards. That means pre-COVID itself there were some problems. Maybe it is bottoming out now. That is where expectation is built and stock is going up. One more advantage here, on a falling sales, profit is going up with increasing margins. This is a beautiful advantage. When sales comes up, this company will multiply its profits. So that is why stock is going up. In stock market, once profit is just seen far away, stock price will run. It always front ends 6 to 9 months of what will happen in the stock or the market. So that's what has happened in Garvare Tech Fibers. It's slowly climbing up. That's where we have put this image of two people climbing on the stairs, keeping new stairs as they progress. Coming to the investors, retail had been holding this stock for quite some time. From June onwards, they started selling. Domestic institutions were holding on, did not make any decision. After June, they started buying some small quantity. FIIs, slowly they are adding. One more problem, this is a small market cap stock. So big money cannot be pushed in. So that is why maybe FIIs are not having bigger interest. They are showing small interest. Why retail investors put off, we don't know. So that's where this image says, don't know what is happening here, confused. Coming to the charts, we didn't clip the monthly chart here because after renaming it to Garvare Tech Fibers, it just had about 2 years of data. 2 years data will not populate indicators. That's why we didn't take. So we took the weekly chart alone. It had a beautiful run between May to September. After that, as the price is going up, it started building weakness. When price is going up and indicators are not supporting, this is the first sign of weakness. We color the bars blue to show that there is some weakness building up, and due to that price hit it came to the value zone, and after that it started going up. Maybe this is where the retail investors started selling. We should actually appreciate the retail investors' sense of judgment. They have made their decision at the right level. Fantastic. So from here, stock is actually showing more weakness on the price also. It should have a correction. While that said, once it goes down, there is a beautiful opportunity in the stock for one more run. And when that run comes, if the company is declaring very good results, that run will become very steep. This is how multi-baggers get formed. On hindsight only we will know multi-baggers. If you have to be invested in a multi-bagger, you should have a disciplined approach to investing. Keep on adding stocks and hold them with you with a stop loss, trailing stop loss. Good ones will not get exited. After 3-4 years, we will realize, see the profits there, 600%, 1000%, 1500% returns will be there in those stocks. So Garhwal Tech Fibers can be one such stock. Maybe we are very early to say that. While this stock has a potential to give one more buying opportunity, don't buy now, it has to come down. All views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock market from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. If somebody wants to buy this stock, do your judgment, get to know the risk, get comfortable with it, and then go ahead and buy. Thank you.